boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar, MALUMA, and the cool vibes here from him with a song called Contrato. I think that translates into contract. So we will handle this song very easily without any capo, only 4 chords in the same order through the entire song. We're gonna play them. So let's go into this MALUMA song here. We're gonna look at the 4 chords and we're gonna start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D minor 7 next. So that is open D, second G, first B, and first E. I play a short little bar there on the first fret, and I bar the B and the E string in the end there. It looks like this. So that's a D minor 7, and we're gonna go over to the G next, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, like I said, in the same order through the entire song. That means we're gonna start with A minor. So grab that one, and we're gonna learn the strumming now. So it is in the same way as usual is with these kind of songs. Down, up, clap, down. That's the most accurate strumming for this one. So, okay, so down, and then a short little pause after that, and then up, clap, down. That is 1 round. So a couple of rounds. And so on. We're gonna speed up just a little bit, and we're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. So A minor 2, D minor 2, G2, C2 through the entire song. And it goes like this. And that's it, guys and girls. MALUMA, Contrato, and good luck with this one. And if you enjoyed it, give me a like on this one, and see you next time. Play tuned.